Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my part 4 of Bee Swarm Simulator. So let's just get started. Alright, in the last episode I got these boots, I got the vacuums, and I have the canister. So let's check my quests. Pineapple picking, 13,000 points for the pineapple patch. I think the pineapple patch is in the 10 area, which I unlocked last time. Currently have 11 V's. So I'm just gonna head up to the pineapple patch. There. I'm gonna head over to the 10 area. These boots like give you the pollen while you're walking. Yeah, look, I can get new stuff. Nice. Can I buy? Obviously, I can't afford it. Mega jug, compressor, leaf barrel, and porta hive. That's what I really want to get. Parachute. No, parachute's actually what I really need. So I'm gonna buy this, the super skipper. Alright. Okay, let's move. Now we can leave. Alright, now I gotta get 13,000 pollen from here. There's Mantis. Blue buggy. You're dead. Right. Oh, it's just a magnet. Oh, I saw a pineapple. I just saw a pineapple. Alright, now we can get to them. Alright, let's just get the pollen that we need. Alright, let's go. I really want to kill the snail. And he's about it, so I'm going to take his stuff unless he gets his stuff. Let's try to get all this stuff. Still has a lot of HP left. Quest is complete. Alright, I'm gonna go up here. Kill glory hole. Kill oh, we need to kill this one. Why did I make a second? Oh, he's so damaged me. Yeah, I don't think they're gonna kill him. I think I can get back first. Oh, science bear, hello. I need 12 different types. No, I need 12 bees. Sorry, no, 12 bee types. I'm ready to make her. Yeah. 10,000 from strawberry and 10,000 from alright. So just pretty basic things. I have 65 bells. Okay. I need to kill those ladybugs. Oh, I can get a silver egg once I kill the ladybugs. So okay. Is this? It's not bees nest. I don't know why. Alright. Let's make honey. I gotta save my tickets. This guy has so many bees, bro. How does this hive get more slots? I guess when you finish it, it'll get more. Still has a base of it, but it's thingy, so I think we need it. Okay. Wait, my first thing was a gifted bumblebee, so fun. That bumblebee. Shocked bees. I want a legendary bee. Boing bee, fuzzy bee, precise bee, spicy bee, tadpole bee, nectar bee, red bee, spare bee, cobalt bee, cruiser bee, digital bee, festive bee, gummy bee, photon bee, puppy bee, which is the one I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy puppy bee, and I'm gonna save up and get photon bee and then tabby bee. No, puppy, then tabby, then photon, yes. Okay, well now I need to give my quest in to Black Bear. Okay, now what do you want me to do, Black Bear? Collect 16,000 pollen. Well, I need to get 20k white pollen. Alright, so I'll go and do my bamboo, because bamboo's mainly white pollen, I think. Yeah, mainly just like white. No, it's mainly pollen. Strawberry. I gotta collect white pollen, but also to get stuff from these two. So. I'll just do strawberry farm first, I guess. Oh yeah, because I can kill ladybugs and use strawberry farm. Okay, now we'll just... I am gonna try and get the white ball. That's right. Bye bye, Shock Bee. Okay, I know, just kidding. Right. Alright, let's just... Okay, let's go. Alright. Up here. And out of the bamboo patch. I don't need to kill runner beetles. Alright, palm flesher 2 is complete. So I get the 10,000, I'll move to the spider field because I need to get white pollen. No, it's nighttime. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go back to the hive. Alright. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the black burner. There's a road joy up there. What's next? 10,000 strawberry, 10,000 bamboo, and 10,000 blueberry. Okay. Let's go. But first, I'm gonna head for the 10 area because I can buy my next things. Fireflies, I need to squish them. Crunchy. Alright, let's just say memory mesh. How much? Oh, I shouldn't have No, I don't have enough. No, I need 1,000 more, damn it. Shouldn't have bought very much, but that's stupid. Okay, well, let's just do it. Let's get to the Alright, now we'll just kill the sheep. I'll call ladybugs in here. Alright, now I'm finished making my honey. Can I have it? Let's head up. I gotta get white pollen. So, how much is this? It's 16,000 pounds. Look at the mega jug. Nice, I'm starting to look better. Wait, but how much do I like the boots? Like boots. 200. Alright, let's go. Now we'll go up to Science Fair because we need a tool to swim. Alright, now let's go with this. What's your next one? 300,000 red pollen. Alright, well now strawberry field. Then we'll go head up to the clover field. Oh, I can't go lighting box just yet. Oh, I'm still gonna get my stuff. I'll still get my stuff from here. Still gonna get 10,000 from here. Oh yeah, I need to collect the gold, so this is fine. Should do this. clover pollen. No, I needed to kill that. Oh, thank you. Oh, brown bear, I haven't gotten your... What's your quest? Oh, he has... Alright, 1,500 white pollen and 700 pollen. I could do the white pollen up here. It's just... There's still white pollen up here, so I have big ones in place, so I will be able to do that. Oh, I can get a bunch of mojos. I also need 20,000 from the clover field for science based quests. Let's get the 10,000 first though. No, I thought those were I just quickly jump down and get some of the I just need to kill this maybe. Ooh, I got dropped a ticket. Nice. That's so much easy. Alright. I gotta go talk to brown bear. Thanks for the royal jelly and for the ticket. Alright, now I'll get to the next quest. Oh, you can only give me one quest every hour. Yeah, you can only get one quest every hour. Alright, so let's just get on with this. I'm saving up a parachute now, so next thing I'm buying is parachute. Alright. So I need 500,000 honey. Oh god, it's gonna be hard. I'm not gonna be able to do it in this video. So 10,000 from the clover field. No, but I was saying 20,000. Let's go talk to Black Bear. Alright, we'll just do this next quest and then we'll finish it. Red plus blue equals gold. 250,000 red pollen and then 250,000 red pollen. Alright, we'll do that in the next video. But we also gotta put my royal jelly on. What do we get? Rad bee. I already have this bee. 1, 2, I got 2. Are you serious? Okay, invitation. So what I'll do is run over here. Let's go get a singular trait from this dispenser, which is a singular trait. And who should I give it? I'll give it to whoever. Okay. And now, multiverse quest is finished. Alright. Okay, let's see what your next quest is. 30 treats and 10 blueberries. Alright, I think I have. Do I have 10 blueberries? I have 15 blueberries. Alright. So. I'll give my bumblebee. Oh, 15. Alright, now I need. How many treats? 30, and I have 5 currently. Alright, so I need to buy 25 treats to see if I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 23, and how much do I need? 30, so I need 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so now I have 30 treats. Okay, leave. I know who I'm giving my treats to. It's a bumblebee. Oh, 30. Alright, next quest is ready. 20k, thanks. Gifted bees. Yes, I have one. Alright. Raise a bee to level 6. Okay, I can do that. Then I'll finish the video, and then 50 treats. Alright. I already have 10 treats. I need to buy them. So, I'll just give pineapples. 20 of them. Alright.